Did you know one little shot can boost your immunity, fight inflammation and give you natural energy? Today we are making ginger turmeric shots. Fresh, healthy and super easy to prepare at home. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need fresh ginger roots, fresh turmeric root or turmeric powder if that's what you have, lemon juice and honey. Next we are going to wash our roots, okay? So whenever you are working with fresh ginger and turmeric, the first and most important step is to wash them thoroughly. These roots grow underground, so they carry a lot of soil and sometimes pesticide. So rinse them 3 to 4 times until the water runs clear. This step is so important because we are not cooking them, we will be drinking them raw, so cleanliness is key. After washing, the next step is cutting them into small pieces. Why? Because smaller pieces blend much faster and releases more juice, okay? So if you throw big chunks into the blender, it won't break down smoothly and you will end up wasting some of that goodness, okay? So cut your ginger and turmeric into tiny cubes. Just raw chopping is fine. And remember, turmeric can stain, so you might want to use gloves or a separate cutting board. Now it's time to blend, okay? So add your chopped ginger and turmeric into the blender. Then add just a little water, not too much because we want it strong and concentrated. Blend until it's smooth and thick. At this stage, you will notice that bright golden color and a very fresh spicy aroma. Once blended, pour it through a fine sieve or chisel to remove the pulp. Okay, so press it down well to get every drop of the juice. Here is an important step. Add your fresh lemon juice at this stage. I don't normally blend with the roots because lemon juice tastes fresher and brighter when added afterward. Okay, it balances the spice and has that extra vitamin C boost. Next, stir in some honey. It softens the fiery taste of ginger and turmeric while adding extra healing power, okay? Honey also makes the shot more pleasant to drink. Pour into small bottle or shot glasses, okay? The leftover can be stored in the fridge and they will remain fresh for about 5 days. Take 1 shot in the morning on an empty stomach before food. It is better than coffee for energy and is so good for your immune system. Now let's talk about the benefits. 1 small ginger turmeric shot a day can boost your immune system. Also, it reduces inflammation and joint pain. It aids digestion and reduces bloating. It helps to fight cold, cough and sore throat. Also, it helps to improve skin health. It supports weight management and also gives you natural energy without caffeine. And that's ginger turmeric shots made in minutes. Have you tried turmeric in your shots before? Drop me a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy recipes from Ese Can Cook. Stay healthy, stay active. See you in my next video. God bless you and bye.